Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for chemistry in 2 days using an easy method. First, let's focus on identifying the most crucial topics. You'll want to quickly review your syllabus or textbook's table of contents to pinpoint high-yield areas. Don't try to relearn everything. Instead, concentrate on understanding core principles and frequently tested concepts. This targeted approach will maximize your limited study time and build a strong foundation for success. Now, let's dive into active learning. Simply reading notes isn't enough. Try creating flashcards for key terms, formulas, and reactions. Then, dedicate significant time to solving practice problems. Aim for at least 10 to 15 problems per major topic to ensure you can apply the concepts. Explaining complex ideas out loud, as if teaching someone else, is also incredibly effective. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you've learned. On your second day, it's all about review and reinforcement. Start by going through all your summarized notes and flashcards. Then, challenge yourself with a full practice exam. Try to simulate test conditions as closely as possible, including timing yourself. After completing the practice test, meticulously review your answers. Pay special attention to any questions you got wrong or found difficult. This targeted review will help you solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. Finally, some last-minute tips for exam day. Ensure you get a good night's sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, to keep your mind sharp. Eat a balanced meal and stay well hydrated before the test. Remember to breathe and manage your time effectively during the exam. And hey, while you're optimizing your study space, why not optimize your home? For an amazing cleaning upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this fantastic product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Good luck with your chemistry exam.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.